humidifier na hindi ganun kamahal and yet effective. Pwede nyong ilagay is water or kung gusto nyo is may aroma, pwede rin. May kasama na tong remote control para kung gusto nyo iset kung ilang oras lang siya. And pwede nyo rin iset yung iba't ibang klase ng kulay niya. And 500 ml siya. At saka, gamit ko rin to kasi I have a toddler and very effective din siya. As you can see sa video, malakas din yung mist niya. So, if you're looking for a humidifier, you can check out my Shopee products. Thank you.